Hello, today I'm going to make a basic cake. This cake will be very easy to make because the ingredients are all of the same quantity. So let me go over the ingredients first. I've taken 3 sticks of butter. Each stick is equal to half a cup, so it's totally 1.5 cups of butter. And I put them outside in room temperature for about 2 hours now. And next, this is all-purpose flour. Again, I've taken 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And this is brown sugar. You can use normal sugar also. Again, I've used only 1.5 cups of sugar. And these are 6 eggs, which actually equal to 1.5 cups of eggs. So we have all these 4 ingredients, each 1.5 cup. Next, I'll need some vanilla essence and baking soda and baking powder. I'll just use 1 teaspoon of each of these, that's it. And then I will also need some nuts. Here I've taken some cashew nuts and almonds. I'm going to use this 9-inch cake pan to make my cake. First, turn on your oven, either bake or convex bake. Set the temperature to 350 degrees and let it preheat. I'm going to prepare this pan first. So for this, take some butter and spread it all over the pan. I have spread butter all over, as you can see. Next, put some flour in this and spread this out gently. The pan is all ready now. There was a layer of butter first and then a layer of flour. This way it is very easy to take out your cake from this pan later. We are going to use this KitchenAid stand mixer to make our cake batter. First, let's put our butter sticks. After mixing the butter well, now let's add sugar to this. Now the sugar is also mixed well, let's add eggs one by one. Taken 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I put it on the flour and I'm mixing it now. The eggs are all beaten now. Let's add flour little by little. Now add some vanilla essence, like half teaspoon. If you feel that the batter is hard, just add little bit of milk. Next, let's add the nuts. Nuts are optional. Now let's add the batter to our pan. After pouring the batter in the pan, just pat it a little bit so there are no air bubbles inside. I just spread it a little bit as well. Now let's put this in the oven. Now the oven is at 350 degrees, so let's put the pan inside the oven. This is how the cake is after 35 minutes. So I checked the cake after 30 minutes. I used a toothpick and poked it inside. And when you take out the toothpick, it shouldn't be wet. So I put it for 35 minutes altogether, and this is how the cake is. If you want to do icing on this, you just let this cool down and then apply the icing. So you can make a quick icing with just icing sugar and butter and just spread on this. So after you cut them, this is how the pieces are. Try this cake and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.